Many gardens have a problem when they've got a really steep bank as to how to keep it clean and tidy and free of weeds. This bank here, as you can see, stretches up 20-25 feet. You could only ever weed it with a long ladder and with a great deal of time and effort. So the question is, what can we plant there which will avoid the need for a lot of time and expense and work in keeping it clean? And the solution here is to plant the Korean raspberry, rubus tricolor. This was planted here only about 10 years ago, and it's gone wild. But it's gone wild in a way that has suppressed all the weed growth on this bank, and we now have a carpet of attractively covered evergreens, which actually produce a wonderful yellow raspberry, which is extremely edible, and that appears in August, September time. But it's a solution to a gardening problem that many of us have. As you can see, it's very easy to trim the edges of it, either with shears or with secateurs, or even with a fly mow, just to keep it back and in position. It's one solution. There are others, and we'll maybe come and talk about some other solutions to one of these perennial gardening problems another day.